Good invading Venezuela Saturday. That's right, we invaded Venezuela. That's enough politics. Hey, here's a funny story. Treasury of barbecue recipes. Some of these are 89, some of them are 92. A couple of months ago I was searching for hamburger recipes using chopped onion because when I was growing up, my memory of barbecue burgers had chopped onions. My mother would make the burgers, my dad would barbecue. Surprisingly, Googling burgers with chopped onions doesn't pull up that many recipes. One of them landed me on the Treasury of Barbecue Google Books, and there was only a snippet view, and it was called the All-American Cheeseburgers, and you could see they used chopped onion and Weiler's beef bouillon and Borden cheese. You could almost make out it said Borden slices. For the longest time, I was trying to find this as an archive or a PDF, and I couldn't. This haunted me and haunted me. And I thought, I want to make those All-American cheeseburgers. That wasn't really why I started the search. I wanted to recreate my mom and dad's onion burgers. We're going to be pan frying these burgers, and I'm not using this today. That's the kicker. That's the funny story. I want to make my mother's burgers today. Very simple. Man, I remember the burgers loaded with chopped onions, and my dad would barbecue them, and I don't remember any toppings on these burgers. The one thing that stands out to me is they had mustard. I don't know how that happened because my whole life I never put mustard on my burgers. Yet when I do, the mustard triggers a memory response from my mom and dad's onion burgers. So today, we're just going to make the burgers with onions, salt and pepper, MSG, because I'm sure my mother used accent, and until the day my dad died, he had accent in the cupboard, and he thought it was a meat tenderizer, not a flavor enhancer. TMI. So, what is this? I had to make sure that the recipe was in here before I bought it because some of these on eBay look like they're missing pages. I thought it was page... All right. Okay. So, zoom in. Our All-American Cheeseburgers, ground beef, Weiler's or Stiro bouillon, quarter cup chopped onion, 4 slices of cheese, buns, lettuce, tomato. And we're not doing this today. But that's kind of how it started. I was haunted and haunted. I finally had to buy this book. I'm going to have to do this, though. So maybe next week we'll do the chopped onions and bouillon. We already did a mayo bouillon burger. Because I don't remember any toppings, not even pickles. I'm just making the onion burger. We're going to put it on a bun, and we're going to put ketchup and mustard and see if it touches my memory nerve. Let's stop yapping, and let's get cooking Mom and Dad's onion burgers. So we're making 2 burgers. I'm going to need half a pound. So 8 ounces. Well, that's close. That's 8. Let's just see how much we have left. If this is a pound of meat, this should be around 8 ounces. 755. In you go. For a full pound, we go 3/4 cup onions. This is divided in half. It's a lot of onions. That's what my mom would use. And salt, pepper, and MSG. Recipe is in the description. If you want to sweat the onions, you can. I'm sure my mother did not sweat the onions. She just mixed them. I have this memory of her making me get my hands in the meatloaf mix with the egg yolk and the ketchup and... Oh, that was gooey, the breadcrumbs. Whenever I make meatloaf, I do that. It reminds me of my mom. Don't squish too hard, but you want to break it up, get the onions evenly mixed in. It's cold. This meat is cold. I'm going to form these into 2 separate patties. And then we're going to let it sit in the fridge for a couple hours. 465 now with the onions. 475. That's close enough. We'll go with the 475 today. I usually use a hamburger mold. Today we're going to go old-fashioned.
Get a couple of onions escaping. My mother would never put that indent. They were always just formed patties. Lots of beautiful onions. Oh. Very nice. It's going to shrink, and that's okay if it's a little smaller than the bun. That's one. It's falling apart there. Oh, a lot of onion. All right, into the fridge.
We're making onion burgers, Mom. I'm just saying. Last time I had an onion burger, it must have been the 70s. Doing a lot of that lately. Jack in the Box, onion burgers. Cook boogers, cook. Can't remember the last time I didn't put cheese on a burger. Or fixins. Wow, we lost a lot of onions. Barbecue burgers on the serving plate. Come and get your burgers. Got our picnic table. I like this burger. Here we go. Wow, it really shrunk. That's okay. Boy, it shrunk. Ah. Put mustard on the bun. Oh, wow, mustard and ketchup. Are you kidding? How did I get mustard on the picnic table? Boy, it really shrunk, huh? Boy. It really shrunk, but let's take a bite anyway, huh? Okay, here we go. Let's see if it touches a memory nerve. Oh, it does. Oh, it so does. Onions. The mustard totally brings me back to my childhood. Ketchup. You know, totally bringing me back to my childhood, though. That's exactly what I wanted. Well, I know this is silly. I know it's silly. It's Saturday. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me this Saturday for Mom and Dad's
onion,
hamburgers. I never have a plain burger. This is kind of a nice change. And it's totally overcooked. But you know, when you got onions in there, you kind of have to cook it well. You know what I'm going to say? With a mouthful. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.